guys. That's rice.
So we had a poor connection.
Or snacks.
Snacks.
Trying to see the snacks that are spider infested. I feel like they're all over me.
They are.
Don't say that.
You want to put in
Yeah.
We could try. Yeah, I think that'll work.
What you got?
A froggy.
Oh my goodness, you do got a froggy.
You guys normally have like a rice brush. Those are broom with? Or he has
them only rough.
Okay.
They're in her hands. You walk out.
Oh, those are hers.
It is?
No, I didn't care for that one part. I think mine was there was a big, huge ones that were getting in there. I was watching it. Son, how's your frog? I spent like five minutes trying to catch that thing.
Yeah, you guys did good.
What?
What? You don't like frogs? Bring that over here. Show Grandma that frog again. Come on. Yeah, she wants to pet him.
It needs to make enough of that. See that then?
So then just reach right up in there and
Grab it.
yeah, start sweeping it right
Spread
out.
it out and clean it. Yeah.
Right out onto the tarp.
Grass and sticks and bugs. You gotta find the rice worm for Desdy.
No, I'm not doing that. Not at all.
You know?
Uh,
Grass and leaves.
Rice grows on the water, Chris. Certain bodies of water, actually. Not all of them, but
You want a
certain
humble
ones.
soil and low flow.
Yeah, there. Here comes the biologist.
Yeah, Humboldt soil, low flow. You don't want a lot of wave action because it roots really shallowly. I mean, even just paddling, that's why you use push poles. Just the action of paddling can actually uproot the rice. So you got to have that happy medium with a little bit of flow, no wave action.
There you go. That's where you find rice. It grows right in the water. Actually, next week we're going to think what day, Jimmy? Are we going to be up in Newberry? 7th, 8th, something like that. But we're gonna plant wild rice on the flooding. So we'll be doing more Facebook stuff. My connection's weak again. We're out in the middle of the boonies.
Yeah, 11,000 pounds, I think.
You can tell the different ages or stages because some are white, and it didn't look like there was anything in it.
Well, Jimmy found a worm in there. Lee referred to it as a rice worm, and he actually ate
He
it.
said it was edible. So
On camera for everyone to see. Is that just wrong? It's our Jimmy
I
for
was
you.
told it was a delicacy.
You were told it was edible.
edible, not
Nobody said anything about a
Did you not say it was
delicacy.
delicacy?
No.
I didn't
No.
get it either. Somebody just said you can eat it. You munched it right down.
You didn't know.
Certain cultures, it's a delicacy.
Oh, whatever, not in ours.
Starving cultures.
Yeah. A little bit of protein, nothing wrong with that.
Jimmy said it tasted gritty.
That was my only, that was my only concern. It was a little gritty.
Oof,
I'm a little wormy.
Yeah.
little wormy.
Well, I guess got lots of spiders in your canoe.
Yeah, there's a bunch in there.
Yeah.
That's one.
What's up, Sin? Are you afraid of spiders?
I'm afraid of
Someone?
spiders. I can't do it. I was freaked out this
We
whole
didn't get
time.
those. My canoe couldn't get that stuff
Is
that
that a
good.
delicacy?
That's great.
Oh, there it is.
They were doing
That's it right
Is that
there.
is that a worm?
That's a rice worm.
Okay, we got to give that to
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Wait, now.
Come
wait.
on,
How did I
another.
become the
Come
rice
on.
worm eater?
We're Facebook Live. Come on. Where's it at?
What?
Grab it, Tanya. Give it to Jimmy. Now let's.
There's got to be somebody else who wants to try.
We got to
it.
get a good shot of this.
I
We
didn't
got to
see
get
you
a
do
good
it,
shot of this. Let's have a look at
Just
it here.
lick it up with your tongue.
Oh, that's just wrong. You're seriously gonna do it, aren't you?
Do it.
There's got to be somebody else who wants it. There we go.
Oh my
You got to
God.
share the bounty.
Oh my God,
You guys
that's
can cut it
perfect.
in half.
Okay, do it. Oh wow.
Snap.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's got that little
That's
gritty though,
insane.
right? That's, yeah.
You guys. They're too much.
Wrong.
They're just little boys having fun, that's
They
all.
really are.
Oh, here's another one for you guys.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, it's trying to run
Half
away.
of
Well, that's for Josh.
here you go, Josh.
Josh is running away.
Josh is like, nope. Is there more coming? Oh yeah.
Fill it up.
Feed it to a bluegill, yeah. It's our last crew, I think. We still got 2 more? You guys are coming in hot. Look at yous.
Give it a little backpack.
Full of spiders, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can get you. Come forward, huh?
You got a nice haul in there, D.
My helper here.
Your helper? They're locked in my truck.
Yeah, lots of spiders.
Yeah, you can get my keys.
Those little white spider legs.
Oh no.
Arms and legs are itchy.
Yeah, get a Benadryl then.
Not a big deal, but
Up there and empty it out first and bring it over. I can get that. Missed it.
So hey, what'd you think there, Borat?
Very nice.
Very nice. One more, come on, do it. We need another very nice.
National anthem, man.
Come on, this is Facebook Live.
Who's the number one
Great, now
exporter
the
of
pressure's
potassium?
on.
Yeah, come on.
Do a Borat impression.
Borat, we need a Borat.
I like.
Oh, what a guy.
Or yeah, I mean that's what.
You want to get that canoe
Oh yeah.
moving and we'll bring up the other one?
what?
A lot of spiders. Dark, scary spiders. Can't do it.
Yeah.
They were making
Chris
webs
got all
already.
bit up by 'em